Welcome to Bob R Photos. To help my channel grow, please hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications. Smash that like button and share with your family and friends. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you enjoy this video. On this morning near the Nature Center, there was a SHRIMPFEST feeding frenzy. Snowy egrets and tricolored herons were in the shallow waters during low tide, picking shrimp out of the water like shooting ducks in a barrel. Every bird was catching shrimp with ease. When the tide goes out, shrimp and small fish get caught in small pockets of water between the oyster beds, which make prime fishing holes for these birds. I was noticing that the snowies were getting the shrimp down much easier than the tricolored herons. Sometimes the tricolored herons would take their shrimp away from the others as not to get their catch stolen from them. While the SHRIMPFEST was going on, just over the other side of the reeds, Rosetta spoonbills were coming in for a landing. A bird called the clapper rail, which is difficult to find at times due to it likes to hide in the reeds in the marsh, came out. These birds nest in the reeds and you can hear them call all over the marsh. Like I said before, it's hard to find them. You have to get lucky for them to come out into the open so you can photograph them. Here you have some laughing gulls in a chase. One of them caught a shrimp and the other one wants it. This is a Lee sandpiper. They like walking around in the mud looking for worms to eat. The spoonbills that came in earlier are now on their way out. Here you have a semi-palmated plover. They also like walking through the mud in the marsh looking for worms to eat. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit that like button, hit that share button, and please follow me on Instagram at Bob R Photos.